The command line program we're running right now is technically known as a shell. The specific one here is called bash. In fact, if you look closely, you can see the word bash right here. That's a pun. It stands for born again shell. There was an original born shell, and then as in someone being born again, its successor was called the born again shell. One of the things that shells typically come with is a command for finding out about commands. This command is called man, which is short for manual. So we can type man echo to learn more about the echo command. One thing that's important to know is that man pages are often very complex, confusing, obscure, even cryptic. So it's okay, it's even expected not to understand everything that's going on in the man page. The man page for echo is actually fairly simple, but I can give you an example of a more complicated man page by running man on itself. So you can see here the synopsis. What is this? Man-ACD, it's all these options. We can page down. This is the less interface, by the way. We'll be learning more about this later in this tutorial. So there are all these options, and oftentimes this is just totally overwhelming. But it's a useful skill to be able to go through the man page and try to glean the particular information that you're looking for. This is an important part of technical sophistication, being able to use a resource that you don't completely understand. I encourage you to get in the habit of running man on the commands that you encounter. And remember, don't worry about all the details, because you'll be learning more than you realize.